10 words a day for beginners. At. At. We are at the restaurant. We work at night. Be. Be. They want to be actors. I can be a doctor. Have. Have. We have a small house. They have a car. From. From. Kevin is from Peru. This letter is from Argentina. Or. Or. You can choose this or that. Get ready, or you will be late. 1. 1. I met him only one time. One man is no man. Had. Had. We had an old car. Jane had a dog. Buy. Buy. The cake was made by John. A boy is sitting by her. Word. Word. He didn't say a word. We need to have a word. This. This. This is Sam, my friend. What is this?